Hello guys from Istanbul, Turkey. This is Mustafa, a property consultant. Today I'm gonna tell you about this new property that is located in Istanbul, European part. Just keep following for the full information. The first beginning point about the property, it is a family concept one. Why? Because the total square meter for this property is 20,000 square meters. 20,000 square meter is the total square meter feet for the construction. Okay, here is our location. We are located in this point. This is the sales office and the project is behind us. Okay, now we have 4 blocks totally. Here is the longest one, which is consisting of 25 floors. Nice. So right, we have 1 bedroom apartment in this block, and then we have in B1 and B2 2 bedroom properties are located, and then in this block, which is C block, we have 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom properties are located. Okay, so totally we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom properties in this project. Nice. Let me tell you about the facilities that is located under the blocks of this property, which is swimming pools and then gym, fitness centers, in addition to Turkish bath, hammam, and some other entertainment, which is specialized for families, which is served for families. Okay, plus the security, and we have example 55 shops that serve the residents of the property. Well, if you decide to buy from this property, you should take in consideration some points. Point number 1, the delivery for this property will be at the end of 2024. The second point, you can pay 50% as an advance and installment up to 12 months. For more questions, don't be hesitate to contact us anytime. That was Mustafa from Almas Property. We have more than 250 properties for sale in Istanbul, Turkey. Thanks so much for watching. Right now, I want to show you a 3-bedroom apartment, which is 175 square meter in Istanbul, European part of Avcılar, Sparta Kule. Let us start. Here is the entrance of the property. We have a cabinet on the right side, a kitchen on the left side. We have an access to the balcony from here. The living room for the property. And that is another room. That could be a kid's bedroom. Have a common bathroom. The next bedroom is also designed for kids. Here is a storage space. And then we have a master bedroom for this particular property, the most prestigious one. Start from the washing room, a dressing room,